Hello guys, this is David from Fluency Space, and in this short video I want to go through a few things that you will need for your job interview in English. Now, nobody likes job interviews, so I want to show you how my job interview course can get you through your interview with confidence and to help you to get that job position that you deserve. Now, the first thing that we need to do to prepare for your job interview is to prepare some answers to the questions that you will be asked. So what I do is before each job interview course, I always ask for the title of the position that you are applying for. I also ask for the job description and a copy of your CV or resume. And with that, I put together a very nice online document with a list of the questions that you are very likely to be asked in your interview. And with those questions, I have a list of specific, very professional phrases that you can use in your answers to those questions. I also provide a guide on how to structure your answer to the different types of interview questions that you will be asked. I also go through in the course some of the classic grammar mistakes that you may make in the interview. Now, there are quite a lot of grammar mistakes that we want to avoid, and you may find examples of those just below this video as well. And I can show you in the course how we can avoid those errors in a pressurized job interview situation. Now, the second main thing that we need to do to prepare for your interview is to prepare for the unexpected. Now, as you may know, there is a very high chance that the interviewer will ask you something that you are not expecting. And in my job interview preparation course, I need to provide you with the tools to help you to deal with that. And the first way that we can do that is to prepare around 5 or 6 stories that we can use across a wide range of job interview questions. If we can get these stories really nice and really fluent, then it makes the job interview so much easier because you can apply parts of these stories to questions when you receive them, when you are maybe not expecting them. The second thing that we can do then is to prepare some improvisational phrases that we can use in any job interview question. Now, I have what I call my 6 golden improvisation phrases that you can put into any answer so that you can sound professional even when you've been asked a question that you were not expecting. And also, what is quite important is to prepare a list of 2 or 3 phrases that you can use at the beginning of a job interview question so that you can delay giving your answer. We need some phrases that we can use so that you can sound professional while thinking about how you want to answer that question. So we will go through a few of those in the interview course as well. Now, the key to implementing all of this and all of what we have learned then is to simulate a real job interview situation. So in each lesson throughout the course, we will be in a pretend interview situation, maybe for the second half of the lesson, where we can try and implement everything that we have learnt. And when we get towards the day of the interview, we would use the whole lesson as a mock interview situation, a simulated job interview, to prepare you for the way that you might feel when you are really there in the job interview. Now, if this sounds like something which is of interest to you, take a look just below this video where I have many more techniques and a few examples of the things I've discussed in this video. Also below this video, you can see how a standard job interview course lesson with me looks like. And also below this video, there are reviews from current students and previous students as well. If you're interested as well, there's information about how to book a half-an-hour demo lesson with me so we can discuss the interview and we can talk about your job position and I can demonstrate some of the techniques that I have spoken about in this video. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you very soon on Skype.